I'm just so excited about today's video. Calm down, stop it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I am so excited about today's video because today is my 2.5K giveaway. I know I said I was going to be doing this in the past few videos. There was some last minute things I need to pick up, which there still are, but those are going to be surprises, okay? But anyways, I'm going to be having two winners. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted one or multiple winners, and a lot of you said multiple, so I'm going to do two winners. One grand prize winner and one runner-up, I guess you call it. So I'm going to show you guys the products that the grand prize winner are going to get and what the runner-up is going to get, but I'm still shopping for the giveaway. So the stuff you see in this giveaway you guys are definitely getting, but there's more stuff that I'm picking up and it's going to be a surprise. Like, I have so many things in my mind that I want to pick up for you guys, but they're going to be surprises. So you won't see them unless you get the package. I know, I'm excited. But so let me go over the rules. Let me grab my little handy dandy paper real quick. The rules are so simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and then you just have to comment the leaf emoji, because I'm pretty sure today is the first day of fall. Yesterday was the first day of fall, so you're gonna comment the leaf emoji, which I'll put somewhere right here so you know which one I'm talking about. But yeah, you just have to be subscribed, comment the leaf emoji, and then this giveaway ends October 8th, and I'll put the time and stuff and all that jazz down below. Extra entries, so you don't need to do these. As long as you do the being subscribed in the comment, you're automatically entered into the giveaway. But extra entries are following my Instagram, following my Twitter, which is all linked down below, and share this video. So super easy, super simple. I just want to get back to you guys and just thank you guys for literally every single thing. But anyway, so yeah, just follow those rules. If I didn't make any sense at all, it will be in the description box below and it will be more detailed and more clear. So yeah. So let's start with the runner-up. Keep in mind, I am buying so much more for this giveaway. This giveaway is going to be going on for 2 weeks, so within those 2 weeks, I am buying so much more stuff for you guys. So just keep that in mind. This isn't all of it. There's going to be so much more, so I'm so excited. But so the first product is, let me see, let's start off with this. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl in Diamond Dust. It's in like the little ornament packaging. It's so cute. I love this highlighter. It's one of my favorites. You're also going to get this Luxie Summer Days brush set. So it comes with a large shader, a small shader, and a small contour brush. You're also going to get this Havia, I have no idea how to say that, hydration cream mask. You can just put this on. It says leave 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. So it's a little mask for you. I also have this Adese, I'm not sure, sweet almond cuticle oil. Can't go wrong with that. I have this The Cream Shop Creamy Gel Eyeliner in black. Hope you guys can see this stuff okay. You're also going to receive an eyelash curler. I have this RK by Kiss Never Touch Up Matte Finish Setting Spray. This Glistening Beauty Liquid Lip, which these are phenomenal. I love these. This one's in the shade Lovesick. It's super pretty peachy nude. I also have a few samples too that I'm going to give one of you guys, but we'll get to that after. I have this Julep Oxygen Nail Treatment. Also, one of you guys is going to get this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio, and this is what it looks like. Super, super pretty. You're also going to get this Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette. I love Makeup Revolution shadows. They are so good, so affordable. I love them. I also have some samples for you guys. I have the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I have some masks. I have a sunscreen, a makeup remover, and just, there's going to be so much more that I still have to go pick up, but I'm so excited. Now for the grand prize winner, I am so excited for one of you guys to get this. You have no idea. So the first thing is this little makeup bag, and I think it is so adorable. It has like little lips all over it, and this is by Ruby and Cash. Just thought it was super cute. Also, this PYT, I think this is a blow dryer. Yeah, it's a mini blow dryer, and it's purple. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little mini blow dryer and it's purple, which is so, so cute, like a pastel-y kind of purple. You're also going to get this Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold pure luxury age-defying hair mask, which this stuff I've heard is so good. So one of you guys will get that. I also have this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This Spongily Salted Rose Mani and Pedi Treatment Set. This Briogeo Rosacraco Milk. I have no idea what that says, but it's just a leave-in conditioning spray for your hair. I have this Deborah Lippmann little nail polish duo, and it's in, the shades are Oh Donna and Modern Love. You'll get the NARS Highlighting Blush Powder in the shade Albatross, if you could see it. Where is it? Albatross, right there, which is one of their like famous colors. You'll also get this Anastasia Subculture palette, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I love that palette. It's so good. And if you hear like a bag ruffling, I have all this stuff in a paper bag right now, so don't mind that. But next is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, which I've heard amazing things about. You're also going to get this Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Chic, so it's a really pretty like nude. You're gonna get this BH Cosmetics Sculpt and Blend Fan Faves 10-piece brush set. You're also gonna get this Laura Geller Glow Your Own Way 2-piece kit, and this is in the same shade as the highlighter in the other giveaway little pile, but it's just this one's a jumbo size. I'll show you guys. So this is what the grand prize winner is gonna get, a jumbo size of that highlighter, and the runner-up is gonna get the regular size. So the regular size, the jumbo size. And then lastly in this little bag is this Too Faced Major Hangover RX Primer. One of my favorite primers. I love this primer. It is so good. But this is like the big guy, like the extra large size. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so excited. So that's all I'm going to be showing you guys. The rest of the stuff are going to be surprises, so I'm super excited. But that completes today's video. Again, the rules, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment the leaf emoji, which I'll put up here somewhere so you know which one I'm talking about. And this giveaway will end October 8th. The time and that kind of stuff will be down below. Extra entries, all you have to do is follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter. Those are both each one extra entry. So if you follow my Instagram, that's an extra entry. Follow my Twitter, that's an extra entry. And then share this video, and that's another extra entry. And so yeah, all the extra rules and details and that kind of stuff will be in the description box below in case I didn't make any sense. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!